Rip. That's all that's left of my stuff for them to throw out. This is what I'm keeping, minus the chair, minus that chair. Okay, storage unit is cleaned out. Everything that I didn't absolutely have to have and shove in the camper is either in my car or now on its way to the dump. Smell you later, Omaha. Okay, so this makes me a little nervous, but it's holding up. I'm in Grand Island, so I've made it from Omaha to Grand Island, going 70. It says it's -2. I don't believe it. Even though I had a shade up, still ice all over. I should get some de-icer, honestly. There is a song called So Cold You Can See Your Breath. Hi, Bubba. So we are in North Platte. I'm gonna take Willow into Colorado, which I think is what so you've been to Oklahoma, I'm assuming that's where you were born, Texas, Kansas, Iowa, Nebraska, South Dakota, so Colorado is number 7. We're gonna go 7 states. You're gonna be such a well-traveled puppy. Yeah. She just had breakfast. We've warmed up the car. I've had a bunch of people in a Facebook group tell me that it's too cold to travel and that I should postpone even though I can't. And also, I was born in the Midwest, okay? I lived in the Midwest until I was like 11, 12 maybe. And then we moved to New Hampshire, of all places. So, mountains. And I lived there until I was 15, almost 16. That's where I learned how to drive, for the most part. I don't count driving a farm truck in rural Iowa as driving because I was never really on the road. But yeah, and then at 16, moved to Florida and learned how to drive in whiteout rains and hurricane conditions and with snowbirds, aka other people who don't know how to drive, especially old people. I've also lived in California. They have mountains there, just so you know. It's not all sunshine and beach. And Texas, when it's wintertime and it's getting ready to snow and they have no infrastructure for plowing roads and people still try to drive on the fucking interstate anyways. Yeah. So I would say I'm a pretty seasoned driver. I mean, I have had some close calls and have, ended up in a ditch or two, but that happens to everybody. So I'm not worried about this drive. Willow might be. Willow might have some concerns, don't you? Don't you have some concerns? Everybody kept saying in the group, don't go! The weather is so bad, it's so cold, postpone. Y'all, this is what the roads look like in western Nebraska. So, there's no ice at all. It's just a little bit of snow off to the sides and
Turn left onto County Road 28.
Why don't you tell me?
In 8 miles, turn left onto County Road 29.
Yeehaw, we riding the Pony Express now, boys.
Turn left.
Don't tell me what to do.
At the stop sign, turn right onto County Road 28.
Listen, I make my own rules. Antiques and artisans, just a few minutes away. There's a puppy.
At the stop sign.
Advice about suing
Okay,
a
I'm
possession
just
because of
gonna keep
complications
recording.
resulting from
There they are.
abortion,
There's more marmots.
filing a $200,000 malpractice suit.
Marmots. I kind of want to take one and put them in my pocket. Hell fucking yeah, Denver. Hell yeah. I just saw a sign for In-N-Out. I'm having a really hard time not just going and getting In-N-Out. I know, Willow, there's so many puppies. I'm about to go in here. Holy shit, am I gonna get to see some fucking sheep? Some bighorn sheep? We saw marmots. Am I gonna get to see some sheeps? Oh, there are rocks that miss the net. Do not like that. Silver Pool looks pretty. Oh, okay. This is where I want to. Oh, my car shifted gears. This is where I want to live. I want to live in this mountain town, Silver Plume, Colorado. This is so pretty. Well, now that there's a giant wall blocking my view. This is fucking pretty. If I win the lottery, this is where I'm gonna go. All the trucks are pulled over because they have to put chains on. There's literally like nowhere for the trucks that were light at the end of the tunnel. Ah, okay. Okay. I can do this. I can do this. Plenty of people go through here and don't die. It's fine. I don't need to know how many people die annually. Please don't leave that in the comments. Okay, deep breaths. Unclench my butt cheeks and my jaw. Because, you know. And relax my shoulders. Deep breaths. I can see the end. The end is near. Hi, Willow. She's finally made an appearance. She knows what's going on. Alright, so there's a storm going on, so once I re-emerge out of here, it's gonna be a little crazy. Use caution. Road may be icy. Fucking hell. Right. Oh boy, it's bright out here after being in that tunnel. Ooh. My eyes need to adjust. Oh, okay. Don't like this. Oh, okay. More nervous than the tunnel. I am more nervous right now than the tunnel. Crow friends. Gather.
Take the exit.
Oh, home sweet home.